Hello and welcome to Cooking Books with Heather. On today's episode, we're going to be working from Drinking French again, and we are going to be making the Evolved Revolver. So this is a bourbon and coffee liqueur drink with a little bit of vermouth and some bitters, and that's about it. And we're going to add a little bit of cold espresso. Cheated a little bit. We don't have an espresso machine, but we did have some instant espresso, so we made that and then chilled it. I'm pretty sure in the drink that will be fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and make it. I think this has been, yes, okay. So I have my cocktail shaker here, but we're not gonna shake it, but I did need something to strain out the ice when I'm done. So, making a double batch as usual, and I think this is supposed to go into a chilled coupe glass. Still don't have one. Have a large ice cube in our usual glasses. So this is a pretty strong drink, but again, making two of them. And then one, there it is. Maybe a little heavy on that, but that's okay. So we have bourbon. We're just going with a blended bourbon, coffee liqueur. Kahlua is usually the brand, the more expensive brand. We kind of go with the off-brand. Okay. Just trying to get my measurements right here. I think that's right for this. Oh wait, no, I have old eyes. So that was, I needed a whole one. Oh well. So then, about right. I think that's about right. And then I'm putting the wrong cap on that. And then we need some vermouth. Sweet vermouth for this. And I need that much. There we go. And then we're gonna add some bitters. These are orange and fig bitters. He says orange bitters, coffee bitters, or cardamom bitters, but you'll want to go a little bit lighter on the cardamom bitters if that's what you're doing. All right. And now we're going to add our coffee, our espresso to this. And this is, again, to your taste. All right, so all I'm gonna do is stir this up. I probably have an actual stir thing, but this will be fine. All right, there we go. And I'm gonna put this on so I can strain it into our glasses. All right, and we're going to garnish with an orange twist. So I'm just gonna kind of twist it up a little bit to get the oils to come out a little bit more. So I did just take this off the orange. So there we go. There is our Evolved Revolver, bourbon and coffee. Sounds good to me. It's good. It is, gets all of its sweetness from the coffee liqueur. And a little bit from the vermouth too, obviously, but coffee liqueur is pretty sweet. So it's really good. I enjoyed it. If you enjoyed watching me make this, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and come back and watch me make something else next week.